So finally, I am back with another tutorial for you. And guess what I'm about to do? I'm really excited because I really been wanting to do this for so long, and I'm finally doing it. Like, period. I'm about to bleach my hair. I know, I'm about to bleach my hair. I'm about to go blonde. I will be using Quick White. It's max lightening, 8 levels of lift, 30 developer. The lady was trying to tell me to get 40 developer, but I was like, you tripping. I'm going in with this Vaseline and I'm putting it all on my skin, my ears and everything to protect me from the bleach, because when bleach sits on your skin, it can give you a chemical burn. And also, I was saying in the video that I'm going to bleach my edges last because I don't want it to disappear.
I've really been doing my research because I don't want my hair to fall off. And it's not going to.
So I finished mixing the bleach together. I probably like mixed too much, but it's here, and yeah, I might not use all of it. I think this is a pretty good consistency. What do you think? I'm doing this in my living room because you want to be in a well ventilated area, and it's an AC in here, and I got the door open and this window's open. Forgot to get some gloves, so I have to improvise. I have baggies, and these baggies are my dog, these are doggy bags. But they was in coconut oil. I don't know why they're in coconut oil, but they are. So I figured I'm not gonna let them go to waste. I'm gonna use them as gloves today.
Just got to use what we got to get what we want.
Cause I don't wanna you don't wanna put the bleach on your skin. That's why I got this like this. I don't have a t-shirt because it's too hot. And I ain't about to suffocate myself with this bleach. It's hot. This heat is hot. I don't know if the oil is good or bad, but it's gonna have to work. I do got foils, so yeah. I just forgot to get the gloves. Okay, so I'm going in with that bleach with this brush, and I'm just painting it onto my hair, making sure that I get it onto every strand and really saturate my hair with it. I'm making sure to run my fingers through each strand and to kind of like rub the bleach into my scalp to make sure that there's no black patches. I don't want this to be patchy. I want all my hair to be bleached, blonde, and processed, period. Okay, so make sure you run your fingers through your hair and take your time. It kind of looks like I'm rushing, which I am, but I'm really making sure to take my time. I'm getting small sections, but at the same time, work fast because you don't want to leave one section of hair to process longer than the rest of your hair. You know, you kind of want it all to be in the same time frame. I know it's not really like realistic for that to happen, but you get what I'm saying. I know it may seem like I'm using hella bleach, but at the same time, I don't want, like I keep saying, I don't want my hair to be patchy. I want my hair to be saturated in the bleach because I don't want to have to re-bleach my hair. So make sure that you can kind of like see the white on your hair, but not too much, you know. I want to make sure that I give you all the information that I did with my hair so that when you bleach your hair, you have the same successful results. Before I bleached my hair, I washed it with some conditioner. I deep conditioned it, and I had my hair in those 4 braids that you seen in the beginning of the video, and I kept them 4 braids under a bonnet for 3 days. Kept oiling it, kept greasing it every day and every night. Just make sure that your hair is in really good condition, like, you know, hydration and moisturizing wise. Don't bleach dry hair. Please just don't do it. If you did it, I didn't tell you to do it, so don't come crying because I'd have gave you my tip. This is maybe about 5-10 minutes, give or take, into the process. My hair is already pretty bleached, pretty blonde, pretty visible. So just move fast. Keep it in mind that your hair is going to process very fast. At least mine did. But also keep in mind that everyone's hair is different. So if it doesn't start to change within 10 minutes, give it some time. So if you see me looking down, don't mind me. I'm just looking into my mirror. Here is when it finally dawned on me that I should be doing tips to root. So that's just what I'm doing. Okay, right here I'm just going to do the tips because remember when I said that I did not want my edges to be non-existent. So yep, I'm going to wait to put that bleach on my edges, but I am going to saturate those ends. Moving on to the next section, I'm just doing the same thing I've done throughout my whole entire head. And as you can see, like, that bleach is really taking, my hair is really lifting. So I was very excited at this point. After I'm done, I'm going to wrap my whole head with another thing of foil and put on a plastic bag over my head, and I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes. Okay, I am back from washing my hair with some conditioner, and I had it up in these little shorts or whatever to dry. I'm really nervous about what it's gonna look like. I don't know. I hope I don't have like no patches or no, you know, stupid stuff going on. Let's see. Okay. Well, at least we still got some curls. My edges just go. Well, they dark right here. I wonder why. It's still black right here too. Look at the bag. That's what I was really going for throughout the whole shebang. My hair was already like stringy and damaged right here for where I be doing my middle part leave outs. So, I really don't think there's no damage. My curls look really good. So I'm not gonna go in with the toner that I got, because I do got some. I'm going in with some coconut oil on top of some deep conditioner that I put in my hair. I'm not going to wash it out. I'm gonna leave it in and twist my hair up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and then I will show you the final look. It's very much giving me ombre. I am so happy. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.